Today I want to bring the attention of the whole world to this continuous Hindu Holocaust happening in India and many countries, especially in India. Understand? First thing I wanted to put this on record. I strongly condemn mob lynching of two my own sampradaya. Sadhus belong to Akhada Parishat, Panch Dasnam, Juna Akhada Sadhus, and the assistant driver of those sadhus. All three brutally lynched by terrorist mob in Maharashtra's Palghar. India's independence has no way made we sadhus safe. Hindu leaders, Hindu sadhus getting mob lynched, killed is 1,000-year-old regular happening, and India's independence has no way made us safe or stopped this continuous persecution. O Hindus all over the world, I beg you all with humbleness, please wake up to this truth. Please wake up to this reality. Please understand the next few points I am going to express. First thing, fortunately we got the video of the sadhus getting lynched and killed by the terrorist gang. If we did not get this video, by now media would have produced morphed video of these sadhus raping some girl, and they would have created a either illegal affair or rapist story around these sadhus and justified their killing. I tell you, neither India's mass media cult nor India's entertainment industry is honest or basic moral, basic integrated to the truth. I tell you, the whole ecosystem created by the India's mass media cult and Indian entertainment industry, whether cinema or television, continuously projecting Hindu sadhus, Hindu leaders as negative role. Continuously Hindu sadhus and Hindu leaders and the Hindu way of dressing up is projected as villains, characterless, cheap comedians, so much of hate speech, directly, indirectly, subtly and brutally. The grand narrative, Hindu leaders and Hindu sadhus are anti-social, illegal, immoral, need to be eliminated as early as possible. The grand narrative is already built so strongly. Outside India, constantly Hindus are projected as aggressors and terrorists by Indian media. Understand this dangerous ecosystem built in India by mass media cult and the entertainment industry. The funding, training, and the whole ecosystem of mass media cult and entertainment industry, television, TV serials, and cinema. The whole ecosystem is absolutely anti-Hindu. Look at any movie, villain. The negative characters will have Hindu symbols brightly established, presented on their bodies. But never heroes. Heroes will not have any symbol of Hinduism. If you see the percentage, less than 1% only heroes will be wearing Hindu symbols. 99%. Only villains will be having Hindu symbols. Constantly brainwashing the society. Hindu sadhus are criminals and worst. Grand narrative is built against Hindu sadhus and Hindu thinkers. Hindu leaders, the amount of hate speech media does on Hindu sadhus and Hindu leaders. Oh Hindus, wake up and get the international attention, or within next 20 years, your sons, daughters and your next generation will not be Hindus. They will not even remember you guys. If they remember you guys, they will be ashamed of you, never remembering you guys with pride. Understand? Already the educated Hindus are brainwashed. They are ashamed of our past. They are neither told the right Hindu history, nor they are allowed to feel the great contribution of Hindus. We are made to feel ashamed of our past by absolute lies and brainwashing in every level, whether mass media cult or cinema or TV, or the print media, brainwashing Hindus and the whole world against Hinduism. So much of hate speech. And I am telling you, including school books, so much of hate speech, distorted history, so much of poison dumped on Hindus. The whole ecosystem, media, entertainment industry, officials, including police, politicians, lawmakers, all the decision makers are absolutely brainwashed against Hinduism, Hindu sadhus and Hindu leaders, Hindu thinkers. The whole ecosystem carries the grand narrative against Hinduism. Already Hindu sadhus are painted as anti-social elements in India. Don't try to come and defend here using some excuses or few exemption Hindu leaders. Understand, exemptions are not rule. As a rule, Hindu sadhus and Hindu thinkers, Hindu leaders are painted as anti-social elements and terrorists doing every illegal activity. That is the way they are painted. One or two exemptions does not mean the grand narrative the media built, the anti-Hindu grand narrative media built doesn't exist. Understand this. The Indian mass media cult and cinema industry, whether Bollywood or Dollywood or Bollywood or Sandalwood or all, the whole cinema industry in India, heavily funded by anti-Hindu elements, and they have successfully done the continuous hate speech at least for last 50 years. And the poison they emitted and the brainwashing they have done has gone so deep, even Hindus are feeling ashamed about their existence. I sincerely request all Hindus, please wake up. Let us get the international attention to this Hindu Holocaust continuously happening in India and other places, other countries too. Save Hindus. This anti-Hindu media is not going to stop till the last Hindu is killed and eliminated. And after they kill that last Hindu, the story also will be, he was responsible to get killed. He was anti-social and anti-humanity, so he was killed. Let us stop this Hindu Holocaust. Save Hindus.